What's up, YouTube? Okay, I was thinking, after my Night Finder review, I thought of 2 new classes that you could have. 2 new classes. The first class is a duelist. For a duelist, you would have 2 guns. You would have strong arm and a strong arm, anything you would like, as long as it's pistols. Okay. These are good because you can, like, bang. Bang. But if you're really strong, I'm not strong, you can, like, reload on your, you can, like, have a strong arm and a maverick and reload on your hip. Yeah. And for forgot the class name. Mini search party class, which is you go looking because they got a laser. If I shined your eyes, I'm sorry. So you have a laser and you can all see in the dark and stuff. And if you want to be a very good one, you would have a Night Finder in your pocket or something, vest, and then you would have a deploy. Okay, and the other class, if that's 3 new classes, then the third one is a general. A general would have something like a maverick, a strong arm, something. I prefer the maverick. The maverick is more realistic in a way. I don't know how. But it's just easier because 6 bullets, it's like a general. You know how generals have pistols, or sometimes have pistols. And then you know how in Call of Duty World War II, where did I get that? Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, where the bad guy, General Shepard, had a gun like this. It was a pretty cool gun. Magnum or something? I think that was in the World War, I don't know. I chose this gun because it's realistic, so you can go like, I'm not going to fire it because it has 1 bullet, because me and my sister have attempted to make a Russian roulette, but we failed. She kept screaming no. Whoa, did I just break this? Oh, perfect. So there's the general class. How much was that? 3. Oh, and if you're a general, you would have like a badge or something. You would have a badge. Just pop it on. Ugh. This is what happens when badges get old. But yeah, you would get a badge. Had a variety of badges, but I chose this one. It says U.S. Marshal Wyatt Earp, I think. I don't know. But yeah, those are for my classes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all of that kind of stuff. Favorite if needed. The next video I'm gonna make, maybe, I don't really know. Random stuffing. I mean something. Anyways, Damon Killer 9009 signing out.